Hey learner, welcome. Introduction. Welcome to the video on ChatGPT5. In this video, we'll explore what ChatGPT5 is, how it works, and its potential applications. ChatGPT5 is a state-of-the-art natural language processing tool that is designed to understand and generate human-like responses to written text. It builds on the success of its predecessors, ChatGPT2 and ChatGPT3, by incorporating new features that improve its ability to generate high-quality responses. Section 1. What is ChatGPT5? ChatGPT5 is an artificial intelligence language model that uses deep learning techniques to understand human language and generate responses that are indistinguishable from those of a human. It is a neural network that has been trained on a vast amount of textual data, including books, articles, and other written content. The model is capable of generating responses to a wide range of prompts, including questions, statements, and requests. Section 2. How does ChatGPT5 work? ChatGPT5 works by using a transformer-based architecture that allows it to analyze and understand the context of a given prompt. It uses a process called unsupervised learning, which means that it does not require human input to generate responses. Instead, the model is trained on large datasets of text, and it uses this data to develop an understanding of language patterns and relationships. The model consists of several layers of neural networks that work together to process the input text and generate a response. The first layer is responsible for encoding the input text into a format that can be understood by the model. The second layer uses attention mechanisms to identify important parts of the input text, such as keywords or phrases that are relevant to the prompt. The third layer is responsible for generating the response, using the information learned from the previous layers. Section 3. The advantages of ChatGPT5. One of the main advantages of ChatGPT5 is its ability to generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. This makes it an ideal tool for chatbots and other conversational applications, where the goal is to create a natural and engaging interaction with users. Another advantage of ChatGPT5 is its ability to understand context and generate responses that are appropriate to the given prompt. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks such as language translation, summarization, and content generation. Section 4. Potential applications of ChatGPT5. There are many potential applications for ChatGPT5. One of the most promising is in the development of conversational AI chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that simulate conversation with human users. They can be used for a wide range of applications, including customer service, marketing, and sales. Another potential application of ChatGPT5 is in the field of language translation. The model can be trained on large datasets of translated text, allowing it to generate high-quality translations that are indistinguishable from those of a human. ChatGPT5 can also be used for content generation, such as writing articles or creating product descriptions. By analyzing existing content, the model can generate new content that is both accurate and engaging. Section 5. Challenges of ChatGPT5. While ChatGPT5 has many advantages, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the potential for bias in the training data. If the model is trained on data that contains biases, such as gender or racial biases, it may generate responses that perpetuate those biases. Another challenge is the potential for the model to generate inappropriate or offensive content. This is a risk with any natural language processing tool, as it is. Thanks for watching.